Hi everyone, this is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about case study on fraud detection in financial transaction. The financial sector is increasingly reliant on digital transactions and online services, making it more susceptible to fraudulent activities. Detecting and preventing fraud in financial transaction is critical to safeguarding the interest of both financial institutions and their customers. This case study explores the development of a fraud detection system using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Next, we see the problem statement. Fraud detection system that can accurately identify fraudulent transactions while minimizing false positives for a financial institution. The goal is to protect customers from financial losses and maintain the institution reputation while ensuring legitimate transactions are not unnecessarily flagged as fraudulent. Next, we see the key steps of above case study. The first one is the data collection. Here we collected historical transaction data, including both legitimate and fraudulent transaction, along with relevant features such as transaction amounts, timestamps, location, and transaction types. Next, we see the data pre-processing. It is used to clean and pre-process the data, including the handling, missing values, outliers, and features engineering. Ensure data is anonymized and complies with data privacy regulations. Next one is the EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. It is conduct EDA to understand the distribution of legitimate and fraudulent transaction, identify patterns, and visualize the data to gain insights. Next key step is feature engineering, that is create relevant features such as transaction frequency, geographical anomalies and customer behavior profiles which can help it identify fraud. Next one is a machine learning model, that is it choose the appropriate machine learning algorithm for fraud detection. Common choices including logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, support vector machines and deep learning models like neural networks. Next one is the monitoring and maintenance. Here we continuously monitor the model's performance and retrain it and with new data to adopt the evolving fraud patterns. Consider re-evaluating the model performance periodically. So next one is the explainability, that is implement methods to interrupt and explain model decision to gain the trust of fraud analysts and auditors. The next key step is alert handling and investigation. It is established protocol for handling flagged transactions, including communication with customers, initiating investigations and taking appropriate actions. Next one is regulatory compliances. Ensure the fraud detection system complies with relevant financial regulation and data privacy laws. The last one is reporting, that is it provides regular report on the system's performance, including the number of detected fraud cases, false positives and potential financial losses prevented. Um, Next, we see the additional consideration in fraud detection in financial transaction. There are incorporating real-time data. It is explored method for handling real-time transaction data to improve the system responsiveness. Next one is the ensemble models. It is used to consider using ensemble methods to combine the prediction of multiple models for enhanced fraud detection. Next one, we are going to see the unsupervised learning. It is one of the artificial intelligence technique. It is used to investigate unsupervised learning techniques such as clustering to identify anomalies in the absence of labeled fraud data. The last one is the data imbalance, that is address the class imbalance issue in fraud detection where legitimate transactions significantly outnumber fraudulent ones. So in this case study, it allows you to dive into the complex and critical field of fraud detection in financial transaction, which is vital for financial institutions to protect their assess and maintain customer trust. It also provides an opportunity to explore various machine learning techniques and data analysis method. Next, we come to the end of the session. I hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.